Hey guys, I'm Disney Dad, and today we're going to cover the top 5 rides that you must try next time you head over to Animal Kingdom. If you love getting news and tips and tricks videos just like this one, consider subscribing to my channel down below so you get all my future content. Number 1 on my list and one of my favorite rides at Disney World is the Avatar Flight of Passage. Avatar Flight of Passage is part of Pandora, the world of Avatar and Animal Kingdom. Pandora is a lot like Earth, but not exactly like Earth. On this ride, you'll get a mountain banshee's eye view of the moon of Pandora. Your exotic and exciting trip will take you over water, trees, other animals, all on the back of this winged creature and the rite of passage for Na'vi Hunter. The ride is absolutely amazing, and if you can get a FastPass, or if you're willing to wait in line, which could be up to 5 to 6 hours of wait, it's totally worth it. You absolutely need a FastPass for this if you're able to get one. Number 2 on the list is Expedition Everest, one of Disney's most exciting, thrilling roller coasters. Expedition Everest brings the legend of the Yeti to life. It's hard to miss this impressive landmark mountain located in Asia's section of Disney Animal Kingdom, but easier to pass on the ride if you're not a roller coaster enthusiast, as it is a very intense ride. The roller coaster features steep climbs, breathtaking plunges, and even backward slides that will leave you breathless. I recommend using a FastPass for this ride and not waiting in line. Number 3 on the list is Kilimanjaro Safari. Climb aboard this all-terrain vehicle and let Disney take you on an adventure that only Disney can. On this Kilimanjaro Safari, your guide will point out the wild African animals, which include zebras, rhinos, lions, and giraffes. All you have to do is shoot a picture and that's it. Prepare to be entertained by your guide. Your adventure will be interrupted by dangers just like the real ones threatening the world's wild animal population. During your safari, you'll travel rutted dirt trails, cross shallow waterways, and plow through heavy vegetation to reach a spectacular view of the vast savanna. Before your adventure is over, you will see termite mounds up to 20 feet high, dodge geysers spouting 20 feet into the air, and capture poachers. I recommend using your FastPass and trying to get on one of the last safaris of the day. Nothing beats a sunset ride on the Kilimanjaro Safaris. Number 4 on the list is the Festival of the Lion King. Full of acrobats, singers, and other performers in tribal attire and other vibrant costumes. Filled with parade floats with Lion King characters and other creatures that enact scenes that were inspired by the Lion King in a very lively, theatrical show. There's a lot of stuff going on in what basically amounts to a lot of audio and visual stimulation. The show just flat out works, and its almost abstract nature allows the audience to just sit back and enjoy the wow-inducing performance. In this new location, Festival of the Lion King feels less temporary and even better than before. FastPass is available for priority seating, but I do not recommend you use it here unless your seating location really matters. Last but not least is the Na'vi River Journey. The Na'vi River Journey in the world of Pandora takes you deep into a bioluminescent rainforest in a woven boat. You will feel surrounded by the rainforest, the darkness, and the out-of-this-world lighted features as you travel in search of the Na'vi shaman of songs. This is a slow and peaceful ride that even the smallest visitors can love. These are truly my favorite Animal Kingdom rides, and if you try them next time you go, I'm sure you're gonna love it. Please consider subscribing to this channel so you get all these future updates for videos just like this one. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time.